is it like sleeping in the cold winter?
What is it like sleeping in the cold weather outside? You mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's well, you got to make sure it's the place you're gonna sleep is nice and warm, and you got to make sure that you build a nice warm tent or teepee. And you got to make sure you got a lot of wood. And years ago, we used to collect spruce bough and put it in the bottom. And so this way you got a little mattress on the ground. And it helps because you're not sleeping right on the cold. And then you add a little bit of muskeg moss. When it's dry, you put it there. And that kind of adds a real nice soft too. So usually you're about this high off the ground, so you sleep nice and warm. But if you were to sleep directly on the ground, it would get cold because the ground is frozen during the winter. And then you make sure you got a lot of blankets, and then someone is responsible for making sure that the fire is burning all night. And sometimes that usually was my job. I used to be able to sit there, make fire all night. Or sometimes we'd get green wood. You get a couple of blocks of green wood like that, put it in, and it'll burn really slow, but it'll still be a lot of spark. So you had to learn how to keep the fire going. If you're going to be putting up the camp, then your job is to go get spruce bough, make sure there's enough to go around where people can sleep on, and then you got to go pick moss. So you had to have different skills. So this way, when you get there, everybody wouldn't say, "Well, what do we do now?" You know, that's not going to help you.
Elders knew if the wind was bringing clouds from the north, it meant blizzard, and if the wind was blowing from the east, it meant snow. But not anything bad. Thin clouds meant cold weather is coming. No snow and a ring circling around the moon meant it would rain within 24 hours. It helped also by looking at animals' behavior. When woodpeckers were sharing one tree or one nest, that meant a harsh winter was coming. Indigenous people would know when to cut down the trees when it was well below freezing.